So, if you go on eBay right now, you're not going to be able to find a 5090. Even if you see 5090s, everyone now, what they're doing is just posting a picture of the 5090, trying to get these bots to buy the 5090 from them, which is just a piece of paper. And they say in the description, it's just a piece of paper. That's pretty much that. Like, it's just a piece of paper you're buying. You're not actually buying the device. You see right here, it says, see description. Now, here's the issue, right? People are doing that. And there's a lot of these bots who are buying these 5090s. I mean, this person is posting it for what? $1,000. It will say in the description, just a piece of paper. The issue is people are now copying and pasting these descriptions and copying and pasting these, products because they're just trying to do this to make money, right? And technically, because they say it's a piece of paper, you're buying a piece of paper, eBay is going to side with the buyer or with the seller because you say what it is. But what people aren't doing is they're not putting in the description that it's a piece of paper. So they're just copying and pasting the title and thinking, oh, copy and paste the title, I'll get away with that. There we go. No, you're not, because you're not putting it in the... You have to put in the description that it's a piece of paper. And you can see... None of this says it's a piece of paper. This person is just selling a piece of paper. They're selling a picture of the actual device for $33.99. Not the actual device. It says in hand, see description. They're meaning in their hand, they have a piece of paper of it. That's a piece of paper, a picture of it. So that's the whole point. So someone actually bought it, and they said terrible for obvious reasons. Because this looks like, in all intents and purposes, a legitimate actual, scalpers posting this device. Because every other one, it's like $1,000 to like $2,000. Sometimes $2,500 for these, piece of papers that they're just trying to get the bots to buy. It's funny. It's funny, but this is actually a problem. So if you are participating in this troll just to absolutely destroy all these bots and all these scalping bots people use, please use intelligence here. Don't just copy the title of somebody, copy the description as well. Because when you don't copy the description, all you're doing is now you are scamming. Now you are scamming a potentially innocent person who looks at this and goes, oh, whatever, it's $1,300 over MSRP, I really want one, buys it and doesn't realize, wait, you never said it was a piece of paper, but it is a piece of paper. Any 5090 on eBay right now is a piece of paper. These are all pieces of paper. Like, look, almost $3,000. Holy crap, this is a 5090. Nope. A picture will arrive in the mail if bought. Yeah. But at least they say that. You gotta say that. Read description, read description, read description. People are just copying and pasting these titles, but you have to also copy and paste the description. Because if you just post the title and that's it, then you're really, honestly, you're just scamming people out there, period. Because you gotta say that it's just a picture so people understand. But yeah, so see, immediate dispatch, picture, delivery, binding sale. Yeah. Which, I'll be honest with you, I know they say final sale, binding sale, you can't. In reality, I think eBay is going to eventually, because so many people are going to charge back on this, and not charge back, but get eBay to step in. Eventually, I think eBay is just going to be like, okay, no. We're going to give the people the money back, and that's it. I don't think eBay is going to let all these go through, because these are all, there's over 9 pages. More than 9 pages. There's over 900 listings of the same device as a piece of paper every single time. There's literally people who are posting 1,000 of these. It now is to a point where at first it was funny. It was well, that's kind of cool for the bots. At this point, if you have a bot and you aren't just turning it off for eBay and just saying every other place except for eBay, then I don't know what you're doing personally, but yeah, no, it's all bull crap. So 5090, nobody actually has it. I truly believe that. So this one sold. Was this just a piece of paper? You will not actually receive the graphics card. See, and they show a Best Buy listing that they bought the actual device, right? They bought it, so they just took someone else's screenshot. They bought the device, and then they just sold it for $3,200. And it says in the thing, you will not actually receive the device. Which, oh my lordy, this is something else, man. I'll tell you that. This is something else. But this is, I mean, it's over 1,000 listings. Every single listing is that. So, and then you have some people who aren't even posting that it's a picture or even putting in the description as a picture, but they are selling a picture. They just aren't putting it in the description, which you have to copy. You have to actually go through. And then this one, if you're a human buyer, blah, 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 this is the go against bots. Reality-wise, yes, it does go against bots, but let's be honest, the true reason is people just want to make money. People are just trying to make money. That's really what it is. Which, you know, everyone now is going to be doing this, so it is what it is. I find it funny, but still, it's absolutely insanity. So, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Just, again, put this in your description. Please. Please, 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 please. And as I say, no refunds, no returns, all sales final. Reality-wise, that's not going to hold up. Again, like I said, I truly do believe that eBay is going to go back here. And they're probably going to be like in a month, well, probably a couple weeks from now, you're going to have all these people who sold these pictures. eBay is going to go back and refund the money. And they're probably going to ban every single account that's doing this. Because at the end of the day, well, yes, it's great for the bots. I love it because I love to destroy the bots. And people who have bots, absolute scalpers. You know, you can go lose all your money. I could really care less about scalpers or bots. But at the end of the day, for eBay as a platform, this is really bad. Because they're every single sale they have, they're having to return it and lose money on it. So, and it's also just flooding the whole market. What eBay wants is you to go on eBay and buy a product, be happy with it, and they get to take their commission, 13.9%, 13.4%, plus if you put an advertisement fee as well. They want to be able to take that money and be like, okay, cool, we just had a sale. Instead, what's happening is people are just going to be returning this over and over and over again, which is bad for eBay. So eBay, in the end, is not happy with this, but it is what it is. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. Peace.